In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Outlook hyperlinks not working on Windows 11. This issue can be frustrating, especially when you rely on links in your emails for work or daily tasks. The good news is that there are several simple fixes you can try to get everything working properly again. Let's start by checking your default browser settings. Outlook depends on your system's default browser to open links. If this setting is misconfigured, hyperlinks may stop working. Open your Windows settings, go to Apps, then select Default Apps. Choose your preferred web browser and make sure it is set as the default for web-related file types like HTTP and HTTPS. Once done, try clicking a link in Outlook again. If the issue persists, the next step is to reset your default apps completely. In the Default Apps section, scroll down and look for the option to reset all default apps to Microsoft recommended defaults. This can fix hidden configuration issues that might be affecting how links open. Another effective solution is to repair Microsoft Office. Close Outlook first, then open the Control Panel and go to Programs and Features. Locate Microsoft Office in the list, click on it, and choose Modify. You'll be given the option to perform a quick repair or an online repair. Start with quick repair, and if the problem continues, follow up with online repair for a more thorough fix. You can also check your browser settings directly. Sometimes, issues within the browser itself can prevent links from opening correctly. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version and that no extensions are blocking links from opening. In some cases, resetting your web browser can resolve deeper issues. This restores the browser to its default state without affecting your essential data like bookmarks. After resetting, restart your computer and test Outlook again. Finally, don't forget to restart your system after making these changes. A simple restart can help apply updates and refresh system processes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your Outlook hyperlinks working again smoothly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.